If your coffee machine is starting to steam more or brew slower, there's a very good chance that it has built up scale from the minerals in your water. And that means you need to use a coffee machine descaler. Now, Oyak gifted me their descaler, and this is one incredible brand. They make really, really nice cleaning products for all sorts of appliances. I have it for my dishwasher and my hot tub. And what I really love about Oyak is they really do focus on blends that you can feel really good about. They're going to do exactly what you want without leaving any questionable chemicals in the system. And so this will extend the life of the coffee maker and make better tasting coffee. And it's so easy to use. Now, definitely look to your coffee machine on what it recommends, but this is the gist. You're going to remove all the water from the machine. You'll add 4 ounces, and it does have measurements on the side for easy check on where you're at, of this descaler into the empty reservoir. Fill the rest with water, and then you're going to brew as many times as you need to get through all of that descaler, and then run through with water. Let's do it. First things first, I need to put the 4 ounces of Oyak into the back. And as you can see, it has 4, 8, 12, and then some. I'm just gonna go down to the 12 line. So that means this has 4 rounds of descaling in it. And there we go. And it clearly is a little soapy, and that's fine. That's what I want going through the system. And it smells lightly soapy too, almost slightly citrusy. So I filled it up to the max line, and now it's time to run my machine. And now the descaler is in and ready to go. Depending on your machine, they'll have different setups. With this one, I just hit turn on and then hit the clean button. And I want to go to clean 2 and hit drip. And now all it's doing is running all that descaling, cleaning liquid through the whole machine. And it's going to fill this up. And then I want to run water through a couple times. Really easy. And all that whiteness is from the Oyak Descaler. So it's definitely going to slightly bubble and be soapy as it goes through your system. And now I'm just having it run fresh water each time. It's going to look a little less and less white until it's clear, and then I know it's fully cleaned out. This really is as easy as it seems. A really clean product that you can feel good about. I really, really like this brand. They are an American brand and they do a fantastic job. Oyak.